Barnett here. As promised, this bonus episode is all about playing Mahjong for money. The examples shown will be based on the lowest value of the card, or 25 cents. In the first scenario shown, the player who discarded the winning tile will pay 50 cents, or double the value shown on the card, while all other players will pay 25 cents. The payout to the winner will be $1. The second scenario is similar to number 1, except the player has won with a jokerless hand. In this case, everything is doubled as a bonus for the hand being made without jokers. So the player who discarded the tile will pay $1 instead of 50 cents, and the others will pay 50 cents instead of 25 cents. So the total payout will be $1 plus 50 plus 50 for a total of $2. In scenario number 3, the player won by picking either a tile from the wall or by doing a joker exchange. And this would be called a self-picked win. Since another player did not give the player Mahjong, there is no value reflected here. However, all other players will pay double the value shown on the card, or 50 cents. This will reward the player for picking their own Mahjong. The total payout to the winner will be 50 cents from each player for a total of $1.50. In scenario number 4, we have a similar situation. However, the player won with a jokerless hand. In this case, the doubles are valued again. We skip the first section here and look at what all others will pay, which is $1. You take scenario number 3, which is doubled, and then you double it again. So it's doubled for the self-pick win, and then doubled again for the jokerless win. In other words, everything is double. The winner is now paid $1 by all 3 players for a total payout of $3. I want you to remember a couple of things. Someone always pays double or double. And there is one section on the card where you do not double the payout for a jokerless hand, and that is the singles and pairs section. The jokerless value is already reflected in these hands, and therefore the only time the hand is doubled is if it is a self-picked win. So for all hands won in that section, you would apply only scenario 1 and scenario 3. Alright, well that wraps it up for this bonus episode on payouts when playing Mahjong for money. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to email Debbie@MahjCon.com. And thank you so much for watching.